How to browse and search for gift cards on GoGift. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, you will see various categories and gift card options displayed clearly on the main page. To browse gift cards, look for the products or platform section in the navigation menu at the top. Hover your cursor over it to explore different types of gift cards such as the global gift card, single brand gift card, and prepaid gift card. Click on any gift card to see detailed information including available denominations, terms, and special offers. When you find the gift card you want, you can add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Browsing on GoGift is designed to be simple and fast, so you can find exactly what you need without any hassle. Now you know how to browse and search for gift cards on GoGift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping and gift card tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.